Welcome everyone. I am back. Today is July the 12th, 2022. We're going to talk about Theta today. We're going to try to see if the market's ready for a breakout because over the last couple of days, maybe a couple of weeks, you guys can see that the market in Theta hasn't really been doing too much. Yeah, so could we possibly see the market lift higher? We're going to talk about that today for Theta. So welcome everyone to my video today. It's a day that I'm going to update you all as to what I think the market's about to do in Theta, because I look at my chart. Like, it's been a while since I've done a price prediction into the market in Theta. Actually, it was on February the 28th. So it's about due for me to come in and show you all what I think the market is about to do next in Theta. Y'all appreciate my videos, my content. Go ahead and join me. Hit the like button. Should have been also subscribe here to my channel to ensure you all stay updated as to what is expected to go on into the future. All right, so now let me go ahead and talk about the recent price history into the market in Theta, because I'm not necessarily surprised to see Theta go down, right? I'm not surprised to see that because back in the beginning of the year, I was already looking for the market to dip, to go lower. And you guys can see where we are at today. Now, from the initial stage, yes, you guys can say your price prediction wasn't accurate. You was looking for the market in Theta to go down, and immediately, I would say for the first couple of weeks, maybe a month or so, the market in Theta was very relentless and not going down. So yeah, I'll give you that. But today, look at where we are at now. Okay, look at this. If you were to get out the market today in Theta, we will have a profitability of around 58-59%. Yeah, it's just the market wasn't ready. The market was being, it was kind of trading like a false hope. I was already positioned to see the price in Theta go down back in the beginning of the year, and the market was able to keep the perception that the weakness wasn't there for a couple of weeks, maybe a month. But after that month time frame, you all can see that that's when the market in Theta completely came down. So I was definitely way early to the party. Like, wasn't nobody else even in the room with me. I'm just sitting there chilling by myself, listening to the music, bumping the head. And now everyone is now at the party with me. See, this is how the game is meant to be played. This is how you're able to win, is by beating the market. Now, let's go ahead and get rid of it. Okay. Congratulations to those who also saw the same thing at that particular moment in time, because now we got to talk. Yeah, we got to talk about Theta, because look at this. I've created this trend line, right? Let me make it a little bit better. We was following the market in Theta, keeping in line with this ascending trend, right? So we was paying attention to the chart in Theta, keeping in line with the overall trend, right? Well, guess what? What happened? Yeah, we broke that long-term trend in Theta. That's not good. I'll keep it real. That's not good. We don't want to see that if we're looking for the market in Theta to continue to trend higher. We broke this long-term trend, which started in 2020. So are we in a bullish market? Nope. It's not bullish. Are we trending higher? Nope. We're not trending higher. We are in a downtrend. And emphatically, you all can see visually that that is definitely the case. The market in Theta is not bullish. The market in Theta is not a buyer's market. It's a seller's market. It's in a downturn. So we need to correct the price chart. We need to follow the idea of the market. So that's what we're going to do. Okay. Now, are we about to see a breakout occur into the market in Theta just by looking at this downturn? Or are we going to continue to see price obey this downtrend line, which is drawn on my chart? Which one do you think is more likely? Let's look at this on 5-day. Okay, because we get information day in and day out, right? And the problem that I see in Theta is the fact that the buyers are not able to trade price above $1.50. Like, that's the biggest thing I see. So what I am drawing are areas that buyers will have to overcome and take out. This is $1.50. And then this downtrend line is the second area. So for us to really begin to be buyers in the market, we need to see them take those areas out. Talking about the buyers need to take out those areas that I've just mentioned. If we don't ever see that, we understand that we are still on course to see this market fall. All right. Now, let's go ahead. I'm going to continue to keep this horizontal line there because I really want us to focus in on the market in Theta breaking that. Because if we don't ever break it, we're going to be continuing weak in the market. Now, that's where the sellers are at. This top horizontal line is where the sellers are at. And this bottom line is where the buyers are at. Just that simple. All right. So this is where the wage is being warred, or the wages of war is being had between the buyers and the sellers of the market. The sellers are positioned at around $1.50 and the buyers at around $1. Looking at this on the 5-day time frame, currently, what do you think about the market in Theta? I really don't see a lot of weakness. I really don't. I see that the buyers are really positioned here, and they're not allowing the sellers to break price below $1. They're not allowing it to do that. This is Theta on the 3-day. Now, again, we're still weak, but not that weak. We are already seeing the market in Theta hold support around $1.10, but then my next area is going to be no lower than $1, possibly even around $1.05. So we're not that far of us seeing a big move to the downside, or at least us finding the buyers. We're not that far. Okay. So the question is Theta ready for a breakout? From what I'm seeing on the chart, no, it's not ready for a quote unquote breakout. It looks as if the market is still going to continue to trade this way for a couple more days at least. Trend a little bit lower, bounce around $1.05, maybe $1, and we might see the price move up from there. But overall, a breakout right now, I don't see that. Now, usually when I see a market look like this, to where it's just been trading range bound, I don't participate. I don't put on a price prediction. I just let the market continue to do what it do. And then when it's ready, the market will tell us when it's ready to either break out, right? If it's either ready to break out or if it's ready to break down, they'll tell us. Right now, the market is telling us that it's comfortable trading within $1.50 as well as $1. Now, if you understand how to scout the market, if you understand how to do this on an intraday basis, meaning on an hourly time frame, yeah, you can predict on that time frame as well. But what's the point of me creating those type of videos? Because by the time that video comes out, the market will have already went the direction I expected it to go, and you would have an opportunity to see it. So, what do you think? I don't think a breakout is happening in Theta. I don't think that the market is ready for a breakout to the upside. If anything, seeing that the long-term ascending line was broken back in 2020, seeing this on the 6-month chart, the weakness there, seeing this on a 3-month chart, the weakness is still here. We need to be prepared for the price in Theta to continue to go down. Yeah. Until we get a massive indication that the buyers have completely stepped in at $1, $1.05, we need to be prepared to see price run down to, I would say, around 50 cents, maybe 70 cents. Yeah, in the next 3 to 6 months. Okay. So what should we do? Let me see. Because if it's not worth it, I won't put on a prediction. So I said maybe it's already garnering some support, like some buyers are coming in around $1.10. We could put on a price prediction there, get 2%. Is that really worth it? What about a rundown to like 106, 105? That's only 5.88%. Is that worth it? Because we already know where the sellers are at, 140 to 150. That's 34% run up versus us coming down to $1. That's only 10%. So what I'm going to do, I'm not going to put on a price prediction. I would look for the price to go lower. Price target would be already 110, 105, and then $1. I would definitely like to see the buyers coming at $1, because if I see that, then we might could put on a prediction looking for the market to run up back up to 140 or 150. But as of right now, I'm not positively excited to see the price in Theta go up. Not yet. Now, it's your turn. Let me know. If you see something else on the chart that I haven't addressed, it's your opportunity. The comment section is open. You guys can go ahead and leave me a comment as to what you suspect the market's about to do in Theta. For me, I don't see a breakout. For me, I think price is going to continue to dip, maybe 105, $1. And then from there, I'll come back in to see if the market is at buy. If not, I continue to expect the weakness. I mean, I've already shown you a 3 months and a 6 months chart. It's already showing us the weakness anyway. So tell me, what do y'all think? Make sure you maintain the profitability. And as always, trade different.